Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry for not being here for a while, but I've got my reasons and stuff. Today I'll be talking to you about randomization in Flash. Okay, we're gonna create a character quickly and make him have a huge dot at the top of him. It's important. Okay, and I'm gonna convert it by pressing F8 or right-clicking, press convert to symbol. Make sure it's a movie clip, registration point anywhere really, and call it man. And instance name man. Okay, this is really for beginners of randomization. So if you know a lot about it, maybe you should skip this tutorial. Okay, well, let's make 3 buttons. First one, new rotation, new alpha, and mixture. Let's turn these into buttons. Okay. And just make sure they're all movie clips, because it's easier. Let's call it rotate alpha and mix. These it doesn't matter about the instance or anything. Okay, you can arrange them any way you want. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start by pressing on, an on press, so when you press with your mouse, root, so go to the root of the default thing, find the instance of man, root.man dot underscore alpha, rotation. So this is a built-in function that finds out the rotation equals. Now, if you don't know about variables, which I'm going to be doing now, watch some other tutorial. It's just, in simple form, it's just a container that you store whatever you want, and then you can use it as much as you want. Hopefully it'll make more sense once I start doing it. Okay, you can call it whatever you want. Usually it starts with a var at the beginning, but this time I won't say that. Okay, let's say rotate, that's our name, equals math, so it's maths, dot random, it randomizes, times, and then times the star sign, the highest number you want, and then that's going to be 360, and then plus, which is a plus sign, the lowest number, which is going to be 0 for me, and then the rotation, I'm going to say, is going to be equal to rotate, which is our thing here. And then we check if it's right, and it's right. And then we try it. And new rotation, and it randomly does a new rotation. So that's the first thing. Now let's do on the alpha. On, press, root.man.alpha, which is a built-in function for the alpha, equals, and same thing again. This time we're gonna name it alf, and we're gonna equal that to math again dot random times, which is the highest, 100 plus 0 equals alf, and check. Yeah, and let's try that again. New alpha, it will change, as you can see. New rotation, it'll keep the alpha. New alpha, it'll keep the rotation. And yeah. Now the mixture. This is gonna be a little more tricky, but it's gonna be quite simple, if that makes sense. Because let's make our variables first. Alf equals and rotate equals math dot random times 360 plus 0. Math.random times 100 plus 0. Now we're thinking again. Root.man.alpha equals alpha. Root.man._rotation equals rotate. And check it. It should be right. If the code will be in the description. So let's do it now. Let's try it. Let's see. You can press a new rotation. Okay, that's good. Try again. You can do new alpha. Good. You can do new rotation, then new alpha. Good. New alpha, then rotation. And finally, mixture. As you can see, it changes to alpha. And at the same time, it will rotate it randomly. And last but not least, go to the main frame and go to the actions and type in root.man.alpha equals math.random times 100 plus 0, and root.man.rotation equals math.random times 360 plus 0. This basically means that once it loads, it's gonna automatically choose a random rotation and a random alpha. So let's try it. And it randomly chose it. Let's try again. And again and again. Then choose a new one. New alpha mixture. And yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, see ya.